Hi everyone, and welcome to a new piano lesson. I am Gianluca Fronda. If you are here for the first time, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link for the introduction video in the description of this video. Now today I'm going to show you how to play the Paratrooper. Is page 19 of the easiest piano course Thompson part 1. Now, this picture that has been sent by one of my students is a very good example for explaining one thing that I like to always say. First of all, usually I suggest to avoid to write the names on top of the notes. I know, obviously, let's be also human and let's try to understand. I know that many times are the parents the ones helping the kids, and it's normal that they try to help writing the notes, or maybe the kids themselves, far maybe from the parents, they try to help themselves writing the names. Usually I prefer that you avoid to write the notes. It's better that you write in your mind. So let's now talk about the Paratrooper. In the Paratrooper, the big news is the new note A. You see that these orange guy is trying to show you, hey, I am A, and you will play me with the third finger of the left hand. Now let's play the Paratrooper. Let's count 3 twice, because it's in 3-4. The Paratrooper is for the left hand, so you will place as usual the thumb on the middle C, and accordingly the second finger on the B, and the third on the A. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Now let's simply also clarify the names. As you can even read, they are indeed A, C, B, A, C, B, then A, B, C, B, A, B, C, A, and the value is A 2 counts, meaning C 1 count, crochet, B 3 counts, dotted meaning, A again 2 counts, C 1 count, and B again 3 counts. As you can see, the first block of 2 bars is repeated twice. So once you learn the first block of 2, you know how to play also the second one. Going to the second line, obviously something changes. Is A 2 counts, B 1 count, then 1 count, C, B 1 count, B 1 count, A 1 count, then B 2 counts, C 1 count, and A 3 counts, dotted meaning. I think for today it's enough. This is all you need to know about the Paratrooper. It's the new note, so the main thing in the Paratrooper is the new note A, that you play with the third finger of your left hand, A on the 5th line of the bass clef stave, the left hand stave. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're here for the first time. Thank you, bye!